Sitemap. So let me tell you guys, the sitemap is very important in SEO. And why is it important? The reason is because it has been created for both. It has been created for the search engine and for the users. So what we create for the search engines is called the sitemap.xml, and the one that we create for the users is called as sitemap.html. So what is their main purpose of creating the sitemap? So see, if we have multiple pages on our website, there are also many buttons and many navigations. So to tell them the structure in a way that crawlers can understand that this page contains this data and the users can easily navigate our website to have proper understanding. So for that, what is done here? Sitemap.html. Now I will show the examples of both, and along with that you will learn that how a sitemap xml.xml, it can be submitted onto the Google Search Console so that the Google crawlers that are there, that will be very easy for you, in the way that the website's pages and the URLs can be crawled and then indexed in their database. Related to the sitemaps, let me tell you, this is a complete guidance that I am giving you right now. This video will tell you about it and also teach you well. So understand and learn this because it will be very important for an SEO person. See, we are on my screen. At this time, we have created a website for you all. This website is specifically designed for you to learn in a clear way. So the website is open in front of us. And here we have the Google Search Console open, which is a free tool from Google that is specifically designed for SEO and our website's performance, etc. that it shows. Now here, look, marketingfundas.co.in/sitemap.xml. So what did I put in? Sitemap.xml automatically picked up my URL. So this XML sitemap here is not for the users, not for the visitors who are seeing our website. This is what we will copy as the URL. Instead of putting all the different pages separately, okay? And instead of indexing them, what did we do? We went to Google Search Console. Here I taught you that how to create a new account in this given course. So here we went to the sitemap option on the left hand side. Here what you are seeing as Marketing Fundas is my URL that is coming up. Here I will delete this URL and I will delete it up to here. As previously it has everything for .co.in. So we will keep this up to the slash, that's it. Okay. Up to here. So marketingfundas.co.in sitemap, this is our XML that came. I will submit this. Now the submission process will start and my sitemap that is there has been submitted very easily. So here I'll show you how the HTML sitemap looks. For that, what we can do here is we can open a famous site in this, that is India Times. Okay, I'll click here and go to their footer. Most of the time the sitemap that has been put by the website, that you'll find it in the footer. So here what I'll do is click on their sitemap, because India Times has thousands of pages. So if a user wants to see easily where to find, or if there is a search for the things he would be looking for. Now you see, as per the entire section about the places, it properly indicates the lifestyle, health, and there we can click and go to the topic based on that. So they have structured it in this way for the users, and you know XML does this for the crawlers. So this is actually very important for the SEO purposes on one side, so make sure you keep this in mind. Now you also easily understand about sitemaps, right? Now you understand how to submit it and how to show it on your website. That also you must have understood. Thank you.